So on the left-hand side of IAM, there are the roles. And roles are used to grant permissions to entities that you trust, and some of these are AWS services within your account. So let's go ahead and create a role. So we're going to create a role right here, and this will be a role for an AWS service, but you can see you have other options that are out of scope right now. So this EC2 service can be a lot of things. As you can see, all these services in this UI can use roles. So you can create a role for pretty much everything. But a very common use case to create a role are EC2 instances and Lambda functions. EC2 instances are virtual servers, and Lambda function just run code, but don't We'll get back to this role when we go into the EC2 section, which is the next section. I hope you like this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture.